Have you ever looked at models on Instagram and wondered how they manage to look so good all the time? You don't have to be a model to look like one. In fact, with a few simple tips and tricks, any average guy can elevate his style game and start looking like a model himself. So in this video, I'm going to share some insider secrets on how to look your best. Tip number 1. Mewing. Mewing can drastically improve your facial structure from a receded chin and a weak jawline to an absolute Chad, but you need to learn how to do it correctly, or it can have a negative impact. Close your mouth and make sure your teeth are gently touching. Place the entire surface of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, starting from the tip all the way to the back, maintaining this posture throughout the day by swallowing to create a suction and breathing through your nose. Tip number 2. The eyes. They say the eyes are windows to the soul, so give people a pleasant view to look at. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and use a caffeine eye serum to reduce eye bags. You can also use whitening eye drops that contain the ingredient tetrahydrozoline to get rid of the redness in your eyes. But do consult a doctor before use. Tip number 3. Start a workout routine. Go to the gym 3 to 5 days a week and try the push-pull leg split. Try workout each muscle group twice a week for optimal muscle growth. Calculate your daily calorie intake by using online calorie calculators to find out the amount of calories you will need to bulk or cut to achieve your dream physique. Try and consume 1.2 kg of protein per kg of body weight also. Don't forget to leave a like if you learned something new and subscribe so you never miss the secret sauce.